Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome to my channel viewers. Our today's topic of exercise 3.3 is laws of logarithm. So for the laws of logarithm, as you know that for the logarithm we will use any small numbers or large numbers in a accurate or rapid computation. So for this accurate computation we will use these numbers to convert into plus or minus sign to make easier for ourselves. So for these terms we have few types of laws of logarithm. So first of all we will discuss these laws, and after that we will solve these the question of exercise 3.3. So our first law of logarithm is log of a. A is any real number, n and m, these are any two numbers. So if there is log in between two numbers and these two numbers have the product with each other, these numbers are the product of these two numbers have the product sign into, then we will convert this product sign into plus sign. This is log of a m plus log of a n. Means when two numbers have the product sign, have multiplication sign in between them, then we will convert this multiplication sign into plus form. So multiplication convert into plus form. Next one is log of a, m over n. Here is a division. So division, log of m convert it to minus log of a n, means we will convert division into subtraction. Division convert into subtraction. Now next is log of a m to the power of n, means if we have the exponent in log, then we will write this exponent at front of the log. First of all we will write the exponent value of exponent, then after that this log of a m. Then after this is law of fourth log of a n is equal to, we will consider any real number b. So for this b, log of b n times log of a b. This b is our supposition, this can be any variable or any value. So log of b into n into log of a b, this is our fourth law. So these two laws are the sum and the difference of the logarithm. This is called power rule, and this rule is called change of base formula. Change of base formula means in this question, in this law we have any variable and change the values, and then after this we will solve. So these are four laws of logarithms in the solutions of logarithms. So now we will discuss its questions. So exercise 3.3, our first question is write the following into sum and difference form. Means we will write these numbers into sum and minus form. So our first question is log of a times b. So with the help of first law of logarithm, there is a product in between two numbers, we will convert it into plus. So we will write log of a multiplied by b is equal to log of a plus log of b. Second is log of 15.2 divided by 30.5. so this is a division form. So we also know that the division we will convert it into subtraction. So we will write log of 15.2 minus log of 30.5. So for this question, this is multiplication and division. So multiplication convert into plus and division convert into minus. So we will write log of 21 plus log of 5 minus log of 8. Now question number 4, this is equal to log of 7 over 15 power. This is the third root, so I will write it as like this, 1 over 3. So 1 over 3 written at front because of the power rule, and this is the division converted into subtraction. So this will equal to 1 over 3, then log of 7 minus log of 15, and these brackets indicates that 1 over 3 is with both values. Next question is log of 22 to the power of 1 over 3 divided by 5. So for power rule, by using power rule, I will write 1 over 3 log of 22, then minus log of 5. Then this is equal to log of 25 multiplication convert into plus log of 47 and division converted into minus. This is equal to log of 29. So this is our question number 1. Now question number 2, express in single logarithm form, means these forms written in sum or difference form, we will convert it into single logarithm form. So this is equal to log of 21 plus log of 5. In single logarithm mean we will write one time log, and then after this 21 plus converted into multiplication. Next is this is negative sign, we will write one time log. This is 25 minus mean divide log of 3 to the power of 2. This is the answer. Next is 2 log of x. By using power rule of log, this is x to the power of 2 minus means division, this is y to the power of 3. And last question is log of 5 plus log of 6 minus log of 2. So we also know that plus converted into multiplication, 5 multiplied by 6, and minus converted into division, this is equal to 2, and this is our answer. Now question number 5, if log of 2 is equal to 0.3010, log of 3 is equal to 0.4771, log of 5 is equal to 0.6990, then find the value of these followings. So in followings, my first question is log of 32. So log of 32, first of all we will find the prime factorization of 32. So for the rough work, we will use that place 32, 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, and 2 1s are 2. So this is equal to log of 1 2 3 4 5, 2 power 5. By using law of power rule, 5 written before log, then 5 log of 2. Then we also know that the value of log of 2 is equal to 0.3010. So after multiplication, the answer of this is 1.5050. So this is my answer. My second part is log of 24. So solution, log of 24, first of all we will find the prime factorization. So rough work, this is 24, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6 and 3 1s are 3. So log of 24 is equal to log of 2 to the power of 3 and 3. So by using the laws, this is 3 log of 2 plus log of 3. Now by putting the values, 3 log of 2 is equal to 0.3010, then plus log of 3 is 0.4771. So first of all we will multiply this. This is equal to 0.9030 plus 0.4771. So after adding, our answer is equal to 1.3801. So my next question is log of square root of 3 whole 1 over 3. So log square root mean 1 over 2, and we will convert this compound fraction into simple fraction. 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 1 10. 10 over 3 whole power is equal to 1 over 2. We also know that power written before the log. 1 over 2 log 10 means 2 multiplied by 5 divided by 3. So this is 1 over 2. Then log of 2 plus log of 5 minus log of 3. Now by writing the values, this is 0.3010 plus 0.6990 minus 0.4771. So this is equal to 1 over 2. After adding these two, this is equal to 0, then 0, then 0, then again 0 is 1. 1.0000. I am adding with the help of units. 0 plus 0 0, 9 plus 1 10, 10 0 1 carry, 9 plus 1 10, 0 1 carry, 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 1 10, then again 1 carry. So this is equal to as like this. So 4771. Now we will subtract. This is equal to 1 over 2. So this carry from this. This is equal to 10. 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. This is again 9 because we have to take carry. So 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. Then 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. Then here is 9. 9 minus 4 is equal to 5, and this is 0 point. Now we will divide it on this 2 divided on this. So this will equal to 0 point. 2 2s are 4, 1 carry, 2 6 are 12, then 2 1s are 2, then 2 4s are 8, and then 2 5s are 10. So 0.2615 is our answer. Now my fourth part is equal to log of 8 over 3. So this is equal to log 8 means 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 2 power 3, then minus log of 3. This is equal to 3 log of 2 minus log of 3. This is equal to 3. The value of log of 2 is 0.3010 minus the value of log of 3 is 0.4771. So this multiplication, this is 0, 3 1s are 3, 3 0 0, 3 3s are 9.0 minus 0.4771. So after this we will subtract it. 0 minus 1 cannot, so we will take 3 carry. 10 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. there will be 2, so again carry 9, 10, 10, 1, 12. 12 minus 7 is equal to 5. Now this is 9, 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. This is 8, 8 minus 4 is equal to 4, 0 point. So this is my answer. Next is fifth part. Fifth part is equal to log of 30. So first of all we will do its prime factorization. Log of 30. This is equal to log of 2 15s are 30, and then 15 factorization is 3 5s are 15. So we can write it 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30. So we will write it log of 2 plus log of 3 plus log of 5. So after writing the values, log of 2 is 0.3010, then plus 0.4771, then plus 0.6990. So add these values. 0 plus 1 is 1, 7 plus 1 is 8, 7 plus 0 is 7, 4 plus 3 is equal to 7.0 plus 0.6990. now adding 1 plus 0 is equal to 1, 9 plus 8, 8 is 17, 7 1 carry, 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 7 is 17, so 1 carry, then 6, 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 7 is 14, so 4.1, and this is my answer. So I hope you will understand my lecture. So if you like this, please subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for the next videos. So now question number 2. Question number 2 is express log of x minus 2 log of x plus 3 log of x plus 1 minus log of x square minus 1 into a single logarithmic form. Means this form is into plus or minus form. We will convert it into single logarithm form. So for this we will write log of x minus 2 log of x plus 3 log of x plus 1 and minus log of x square minus 1. So we also know that for the plus sign we convert it into multiplication, or for the minus sign we will convert it into division form. So for this, first of all I will arrange these values. I will assign log of x plus 3 log of x plus 1, and after this minus 2 log of x and minus log of x square minus 1. If I will take negative sign common, then I will draw the bracket. So after taking negative sign, this sign becomes plus. Now this is multiplication, this is division, and this is again multiplication. So we will write it log of x multiply x plus 1. Then for this sign divide it x square, power rule, x to the power of 2, then plus sign again convert it into multiplication. This is equal to x square minus 1. Now if we simplify this x cancel out with this 1, and this is equal to log of x plus 1 to the power of 3 divided by x. Now this is x square minus 1. This is the formula of a square minus b square, which is equal to a plus b and a minus b. So after applying the formula, this is equal to x plus 1 and x minus 1. This is equal to log of this x plus 1 cancel out with this 1, x plus 1 cancel out with 1 this, and remaining are 2. So this is equal to x plus 1 whole square divided by x into x minus 1, and this is my answer. Now question number 4. Question number 4 is calculate log of 3 2 times log of 2 81. For this question we have to use the base change formula, change of base formula. For this formula we will write in these two logs in a specific way. So this is equal to log of base 3 2 times log of base 2 81. So for this, first of all we will write log of 2, then divide log of 3 as like this, and then log of 81, then after this log of 2. Now you will see that this log of 2, this log of 2 cancel out with each other. Then we will write log of 81 over log of 3. And when we find the prime factorization of 81, this is equal to log of 3 to the power of 4 divided by 3. We will write it single logarithm form, or if you don't write it single logarithm form, you will write it log of 3, then log of 3 power 4. On this we will apply the power formula. In power formula we will write this 4 before log 4 log of 3 divided by log of 3. This log of 3 cancel out with this, then 4 is my answer. Now my second part is log of 5, log of base 5 3 times log of base 3 25. Same method we will use again. This is equal to log of 3 over log of 5, then log of 25 over log of 3. Then log of 3 cancel out with each other. This is equal to log of 25 over log of 5. We also know that this 25, this is equal to log of 5 multiplied by 5 means 5 power 2. 5 power 2 is equal to 25 divided by log of 5. Power written before the log, this is 2 log 5 over log 5. Log 5 cancel out. My answer is equal to 2.